All right, here we go. So this should have been 5, which means if I started with 532 and I ended with 532, that means that we are correct, and 297 is correct. Alrighty, so we've got a lot to do, but we're just gonna do it. It says estimate by rounding and then find the exact. Well, we're gonna do it a little bit different. We're going to find the exact on these, and then we've got to do something else. So let's find the exact, flip it over. All right. So here we go. So can I take 0 minus 3? Girls, I shouldn't hear anybody. Can I need you to focus up here. Estelle? So can I take 0 minus 3? No, we're going to pre-borrow, getting it from where? 50. Very good. We're getting it from the 50, which becomes 4, 9. And this is going to be what?
7.
That's going to be 7. This is going to be what?
3.
And this is going to be 3. Awesome. Let's check it off. The volume should be 0. Then let's do another one like that. Can I take 0 minus 7? So we're going to do what? Well, wait a second. I have to borrow first. Thank you. And then we're getting it from where? Which becomes a 59. Good job. And then this first number, 10 minus 7, is 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Is that answer there?
Yes.
And then I think what we're going to do in just a moment, we're going to round. These answers won't be there that we round. But let's finish these two, because then we need to go and do something else. So on this one, can I take 0 minus 7? No. So what? But you must pre-borrow first, because you don't want to cross over that last 0. I'm getting that one from where? From the 80, which becomes a
79.
Awesome. Okay. Then here we go. Got it, Jaden? Okay. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 6 is what? 1. Then, all right, that's it. Then we're going to go to this one here. Can I take 0 minus 4?
No.
So we're going to do what? Pre-borrow, getting it from?
30.
Very good.
29.
Okay. And then we're ready to go. 10 minus 4 is what?
6.
I did forget. Thank you. All right. Then on this one, 9 minus 4 is? Good job. 2 minus 1 is? 1. You guys are going to do really good. And here it is right there. Now, these next two answers that we get, okay, we've only got 10 minutes, so I've got to, okay. These next two answers that we get are not going to be here because we're going to estimate on this one and this one. So we're going to estimate to the hundreds place. Where's the hundreds place? Is it the 7, the 5, or the 0? The 7. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So we're going to round right here. So do you think this is closer to 700 or 800? And let's put it here so we don't make any mistakes. 800. Is this one closer to 500 or 600? Good job. Okay, hold on. But now we're subtracting, because I'm not getting the real answer on these two. So is this about, what is this answer?
200.
About 200. I said this wouldn't be here. This is going to be 200. So that is our, in fact, The real answer is probably this one. Isn't 178 very close to 200? Yeah, it's very close. Leave it just like that. Because of our time, we don't have a lot of time left. Then, let's round one more. And let's round this one. Is this going to be closer to 200 or 300? 300. Is this going to be closer to 100 or 200? 200. And when you subtract, you get about what? Very good. And is that close to our remaining answer?
Yes.
That 91? Yeah. So our real answer, so we estimated those. Let me see the time. I mean, I wanted to do this last one. You can. We'll say this one was the 91. In fact, I know it is. And this one was the 178. If you actually want to go back and do that, I'm not going to require it. Now, I'm going to say I'm not going to require any more. You don't need to do any more, but if you want more practice, you could go ahead and do these if you want. So if you want practice, you could even do, let me see, right? Don't worry about writing and solving an equation. You would just set it up and solve it. You don't have to do it. The one I really wanted to do was, let me see if we could start this one. Okay. How many more green things did they see than red and blue things combined? How many more green things did they see? What does it mean when it says how many more? Do you have to add or subtract? I've got $10. You've got 15. How much more do you have? 5, because you had to subtract. We're not going to have time to do this because people, we're done. Go ahead and put it away. Again, you can. There's no homework, but what can you do if you want to really study more? You can do some more of these. Say Ms. Shorrock said, let me see. You could do it as a bonus if you want, and I could add a couple points to your test if you wanted to do like these 6 here. Okay, so just take your paper with you, but it is not required. You guys can pack up and start lining up.